Alrighty, looks like it is 8:20, so let's get started with our 2020-21 Prizm Basketball Random Player 1 Megabox break number 2. Just like with all of our random player breaks, we list everybody in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times and then match that up against an alphabetical player list from the product. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and lucky number 5. We've got Raymond in the top spot and Bennett in the Zion spot. So we will just paste that list next to our player list. Then I will cut and paste this over to the right, sort it by everybody's names, and we'll scroll through our list before we tear into our box and see what we get. Alrighty, now that we have been through our list, let's open our box and see what we get. Good luck, everybody. So this version of the Mega Box is a little different. This is the Target version. It has 6 packs, 10 cards per pack. So those are our 6 10-card packs. Pack number 1. Ersan Ilyasova, Marcus Smart, Ben Simmons, Austin Rivers. Then we have a red Ice Prism of Joe Harris. We have a red Ice Prism of Grant Riller. Not the Hornet rookie we were looking for. Then we have a Kobe White silver. And a Trae Young dominance insert. And then Colin Sexton and a Aaron Nesmith rookie. Next pack. Derek Jones Jr., De'Aaron Fox, Kyrie, Zubac. We have a Jaylen Brown red ice prism. And then a Klay Thompson red ice prism. And then a Jarrett Culver red ice prism. Then we have a Zion sophomore stars insert. Bruce Brown, and then a Emmanuel Quickly rookie card. Pack number 3. Dylan Brooks, Bogdanovich, Melo, James Harden, Andrew Wiggins, red ice prism. Then we have a Tim Duncan red ice prism. Then we have a Bam Adebayo silver. Then we have a RJ Hampton instant impact insert. Then we have a Isaiah Stewart rookie card. And our last card in the pack is Enes Kanter. On to pack number 4. Eric Gordon, Reddish, Juan Hernan Gomez. Then we have a red ice prism of Robert Woodard II. Then another red ice prism of Dwight Howard. And then our last red ice prism in this pack is of Devontae Graham. And then we have a silver instant impact of Emmanuel Quickly. to go with his base rookie that we pulled earlier. And then we have a rookie card of Vernon Carey Jr. And a rookie card of Cole Anthony. Pack number 5. Donovan Mitchell. Elfrid Payton. Torian Prince. Nerlens Noel. Then a red ice prism Alonzo Ball. Then we have a red ice prism of Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. And then we have a silver of Kendrick Nunn. And then a emergent insert of Josh Green. Jonathan Isaac. And Kelly Oubre Jr. Get out some more sleeves. All right, pack number 6. TJ Warren, Dwayne Bacon, Dennis Rodman, Jamal Murray, then a red ice prism of Gary Harris, and a red ice prism of Zeke Naji, rookie. And then we have a silver of Joe Harris. I think we pulled a red ice prism of him in the first pack. Then we have a dominance insert of Russell Westbrook. And then we have a base rookie of Zeke Naji. So we've got his base rookie and his red ice prism rookie in the same pack. And then our last card in the box is a base Alonzo Ball. Alrighty, now that we have opened all of our packs, let's go back through our list and see who got which cards. There is our list. We'll start with our inserts. Our first insert is our Russell Westbrook Dominance insert. And that goes to Todd. Congrats on that, Todd. And then our next insert is a Josh Green Emergent insert. And that goes to Todd as well. Doubling up, congrats on that. And then next is our Silver Instant Impact Emmanuel Quickly to go along with his base rookie card that we also pulled. And both of those go to Brian. Congrats on those, Brian. And then next is our RJ Hampton Instant Impact insert. And that goes to Hector. Congrats on that, Hector. Then our next insert is our Trae Young Dominance insert. And that goes to Lori. Congrats on that, Lori. And then our last insert is our Zion Williams Sophomore Stars. And that goes to Bennett. Congrats on that, Bennett. So then next, we will go through our base rookies. Our first one is Zeke Najee, along with his Red Ice Prism, and both of those go to Hector. Congrats on those, Hector. And then next is our Cole Anthony rookie, and that goes to Hector as well. Back to back, doubling up. Congrats on that. And then next is our Vernon Carey Jr. rookie, and that goes to Eric. Congrats on that, Eric. And then next is our Isaiah Stewart rookie, and that goes to Bennett. Doubling up. Congrats on that. And then our last base rookie is our Aaron Neesmith rookie, and that goes to Hector. Congrats on that. So now we'll go through our Prizm parallels, and first we'll go through our silver Prizms. We've got 4 of those, and our first one is Joe Harris, who I also believe we have a Red Ice Prism of as well. So both of those go to Matt. Congrats on those, Matt. Then our next silver Prizm is Kendrick Nunn, and that goes to Anthony. Congrats on that, Anthony. Then our next silver Prizm is Bam Adebayo, and that goes to Raymond. Congrats on that, Raymond. And then our last silver parallel is Kobe White, and that goes to Brian. Doubling up. Congrats on that. All righty. So then next we'll go through our stack of Red Ice Prisms. Our first one is Gary Harris, and that goes to Pablo. Congrats on that. And then next is SGA, and that goes to Eric. Congrats on that. And then next is Lonzo Ball, and that goes to Lawrence. Congrats on that, Lawrence. And then our next Red Ice Prism is Devontae Graham, and that goes to Daniel. Congrats on that, Daniel. And then next is Dwight Howard, and that goes to Hector. Congrats on that, Hector. And then our next Red Ice Prism is Robert Woodard II, and that is a rookie, and that goes to Bennett. Congrats on that, Bennett. And then next is Tim Duncan, and that goes to Todd. Congrats on that, Todd. And then next is Andrew Wiggins, and that goes to David. Oops, wrong color there. Congrats on that, David. And then next is Jarrett Culver, and that goes to David as well. Doubling up back to back. Congrats on that. And then next is Clay Thompson, and that goes to Todd. Congrats on that, Todd. And then next is Jaylen Brown, and that goes to Todd also. Building a stack. Congrats on that. And then our last Red Ice Prism is Grant Riller, and that goes to Bennett. Congrats on that. Well, all righty. That concludes our 2021 Prizm Basketball Random Player 1 Megabox Break number 2. Thanks to everybody that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate you all supporting our breaks the way you do. Thanks to everybody that joined us in the live stream for the break this evening. And we'll be back in about 10 minutes with our 21 Topps Chrome Baseball Random Player 2 Blaster Box Break number 1. Thanks again, everybody. All right, put our blasters. I think that's our first blaster break for random player. We did a random team. I think it was last week or the week before. Either way, we still have tons of spots.